Today, in spite of an uncertain economic climate, we're reporting sales and revenue of $16.4 billion for the third quarter, up 5% from last year. Profit per share for the quarter of $2.54 was up 83 cents from the third quarter of 2011 and includes a pre-tax gain of $273 million from the previously announced sale of a majority interest in our third-party logistics business. This strong performance is due to our continued efforts to stay focused on those things within our control. We continue to work closely with our customers, partnering with dealers and suppliers. We're keeping a close eye on cost. We're delivering quality products and working safely. While we had a strong quarter, we have lowered the 2012 full-year outlook as a result of a weaker global economic climate. For the year, we now expect 2012 sales and revenues to be about $66 billion and profit per share to be in a range of $9 to $9.25. We are clearly seeing challenging times that require us to be nimble and take action to respond to the current environment, while at the same time keeping our 2015 goals in view. In this time of uncertainty, dealers have lowered their order rates well below end-user demand to reduce their inventories. As a result, production levels across the company are being lowered to allow dealers to burn off inventory, and has resulted and will result in some temporary layoffs and other actions as we respond to these circumstances. Now, we know this is tough for our people in the short term, but it's the right thing to do to keep Caterpillar positioned for long-term success and continued leadership in our industry. For 2013, we're expecting slightly better world growth with modest improvements in the United States, China, and most of the developing world, but with continued difficulty in Europe. At this point, we expect 2013 sales and revenues to be similar to 2012, in a range of up 5% to down 5%. We believe that when dealer inventories come down and easing action by central banks and governments around the world begin to improve economic growth, our business should improve, and when it does, we'll be ready. We would expect sales and revenues to be weaker in the first half of 2013 and then gain strength in the last half of the year. As previously announced, I am in the process of transitioning to a new role as Group President with responsibility for construction industries based in Singapore. Brad Halverson, a Caterpillar finance veteran, has been promoted to Group President and CFO and will be taking up the reins and delivering the results to you next quarter. In closing, we're in uncertain times, but we've been through this before. We've managed it well in the past, and we have great people and a great strategy, so we will manage it again this time. More detail on our results is available in our third quarter financial results release, which is posted in the Investors section of our Caterpillar.com website. Thank you for your time and your continued interest in Caterpillar.